at Young Nails, we have pioneered the mystery boxes for Black Friday. And for those of you guys who have been getting them year after year, you're probably thinking, how is Young Nails going to outdo what they've done in the past? Well, let me tell you, we are going to create a choose your own adventure mystery box. What is that? Let me show you how incredible this is going to be. Every kit is equipped with a base foundation of acrylic products that everybody is going to get inside their kit. And then you get to choose from an assortment of acrylic based on your likes and needs. Let me explain. Every kit is equipped with a 32-ounce nail liquid, our cleanser, 32-ounce swipe, our bonder, half-ounce protein bond, 500 roll of sculpting nail forms, and our new Dark Ombre Pat Gels. My gosh, you guys, when you see what this is, it's going to blow you away. Now, you'll be able to choose your acrylic based on your level or your likings. First, you could either choose a 660 gram core clear or a 660 gram speed clear. You're also going to be able to choose any 5 85 gram powders from our whole collection of acrylic powders. You don't like Cover Pink? Well, get Cover Peach. You don't like Speed Clear? Dude, get Natural. You don't like white? Get Speed White. Whatever you need, you'll be able to choose any 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Any 5 from our total collection. You get to choose the adventure. You get to choose whether you want our finish non-tack top coat or you want matte non-tack top coat. It doesn't matter. You get to choose. And last but not least, you get to choose 4 glitters. You get to choose your acrylic adventure for your best mystery box. I need to break down the value of this for you guys because it's absolutely ridiculous. This Pat Gel kit alone is $120 retail. $120 retail. Actually, if you take a look at everything you're getting right here, it's over $500 worth of value. And guess what? You're getting everything for $120. Take advantage of this Black Friday mystery box choose your adventure deal because it's not going to get better than this. Take advantage of us.